Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. Our channel reached 500 subscribers. Thank you very much for everyone who ever subscribed my channel, and please show your support like this so that I can get you more and more interesting videos for you people. And if you are watching this video first time and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon to get the future video notifications. So in this today's video, we'll see how to make a view meter using NeoPixel, or you can say these are called addressable RGB or programmable RGB LEDs. So for this I am using this acrylic sheets. So this I have cut into this kind of shape, and I made two holes for these rods. These are 8 mm threaded rods. Okay, so this I designed in a software and I gave it for laser cutting, so they have done this. So this is just clear acrylic, and here what I did is I sanded the edges here. So for a better diffusion you need to sand the edges three sides, one here, here and here, except this place. Actually this place is for LED, so this place is for LED. Don't sand here, so here the LED will stay, so that will pass the light through this, so that these edges get light up. So that's the reason you do sanding for all sides except this cut. Okay, this is very simple shape. You can see just like a square and chopped here. This is for LEDs. Okay, so that LEDs will be placed here, and these two holes for this 8 mm threaded rods. Okay, so I'm using this acrylic sheets. So depend on your budget, you can go more number of things. I think I'm going with 30 acrylic sheets. So, and I'm using this 8 mm threaded rod. Okay, so this is the 8 mm threaded rod. Okay, so actually this will go both sides, so I need two. So this will go inside this like this. Okay, like this we need two. Okay, then we need nuts for this rod 8 mm. So that what will happen is, so this will go like this, then bottom and top you can see this. So it will be placed like this. Like this, then here like this. Okay, so actually bottom and top. So these nuts will hold the acrylic parts. So like that both sides we have to do same way. So like this we have to place all sheets, all acrylic pieces. Okay, so that's why we need these sheets and this 8 mm threaded rods and the nut for this bolt for this. We need plenty of this, and this is for the top. These are cap nut. You can see here these are cap nuts. Just instead of showing like this, you can place it like on top of this one. Means the last sheet, instead of using this nut, you can place it. So that will give a good and nice look. Okay, so cap nuts, this is optional. If you are getting it, it's fine, or else you can use a normal nut, but this will give a good look and feel for this. Okay, these are the hardware thing, just sheets, acrylic cutted pieces and laser cutted pieces, and these 8 mm rods, and so many nuts. Okay, so for this build I am using this NeoPixel 5 volts RGB LEDs or programmable LEDs or addressable RGB. So many names is there. So these are 5 volts one, so this will have only 3 pins, so 5 volts and data and ground, so 3 pin like that. Okay, and we need few jumper cables, and we need this sound sensor. This is very important, so try to get the same one. Okay, so this is the max 4466 sound amplifier one sound sensor, so try to get this one only. If you try with some other sensors, it won't work, so better you get this one. Okay, then I am using Arduino Uno, so I am using within 60, that's the reason I am using this Uno. If you are using more number of LEDs, you better go with Arduino Mega, so that will be little expensive, but for this build I am using Arduino Uno. Okay, so these are the parts to build this one. So now what I will do, first I will make this one. So just one nut below the sheet, one nut above the sheet, so like that I will place all the acrylic these here. Okay, so I will arrange all these acrylic pieces from here to here, then I will be back. So this is ready now. So to place this one, we need a base. Okay, so I'm using this as a base. So this is having little weight, so make sure your base have enough weight to hold this one, otherwise it will fall. So this is looking odd now, but I will put some sticker on it to give a good look. For the time being, I'll just place it like this. So you can find anything that can hold. See, it is holding enough weight so that it won't fall. So don't try to keep smaller one. So this is enough, so it will hold well, so no problem at all. So I will add sticker on it later. So now we can jump into the electronics part. Okay, let's go to the electronics part, and we will connect all the electronics together, then we can place the lights here. Now we'll give the connections. First we need to take the 3 volts input connection. So you can see here, so you need to use this 3.3 volt connection. Okay, so this can be used for microphone voltage. So like this, so 3.3 voltage. So I'm just putting in this breadboard. This 3.3 volt should be shared with microphone. So from here the same voltage will go to microphone. So it should go here. So the same voltage should go to here, this VCC. This 3.3 volt will go to this VCC. Okay. Now same thing should go here to this AREF. Okay, you can see here this AREF. Okay, you can connect here. So now I'm giving the same voltage to the AREF. So it should connect to this AREF. Then next we need to share the ground. So you take the ground from here and you can connect to here. So I want to use the same ground for both places. That's why what I'll do is just I'll take the ground from here to here. So from here I can take it to here. So here you can see, leave the 5 volts. The next one is the ground. So take the ground, you can connect here. So take the ground from here to here. Ground. Okay, so like this. So now we need a small switch here. Okay, so here ground should go to one of this. Okay. So other side of this button should connect to this pin number 4. So digital pin 4, it should connect to digital pin 4. So okay. So now we need to give connections to LED and this microphone out. So here one pin is pending, this out. So for the out you need to connect to, so I'm using this analog pin 5, A5. So this A5 will go and connect it to this microphone out. Okay, so now we need to give connections to LED. So for LED, I just want to check it in this board whether it is working or not. That's why I'm using very few 4 LEDs just to check whether this is working or not. So for this, so power supply, you can take it from here. Here you can get the 5 volts one, so you can take it and you can connect here. So you can take it 5 volts from here and you can connect. Volt to this 5 volt one. So here it is red, so it should connect it to this red. Okay, then here you can see yellow color is the data one. So this data should be connected to digital pin number 6. Okay. Then it should be connected to this yellow color. Yellow color is the data in this LED, data in. Connect like this. Then here we have a ground, so the ground should be connected to the same ground. So ground should be shared the same ground. So this ground should be connected to this ground of. So this looks little messy, but you can upload the firmware now, means you can upload the code in this, then we can check whether it is working or not. So I will go and I will install the code. So here you can see I'm using that's why I opened this underscore vu file. So if you're using Mega, you can open a different file. All files is there in one link. So that link I will provide in the description. You can download and you can open that. So here only thing we have to change is the how many pixels, means how many LEDs you are using for your project. So for my project I'm using 30, so I will change that. Other than that, nothing to change here. So as per the instructions I showed earlier, it is connected to A5. So here also you can see A5. If you change, you just change it or else leave it like this. Only change we have to do is only this thing. Okay, so then you can go here and you can select the board Arduino, then you can select a particular port which is connected to then after that just click here and upload. So I'll upload and I'll show you how this will work. So I installed the code. Now I connected the 5 volts power supply here. Just check whether it is working or not. So I switched on the power. Let's click on this. So it's changing, and we have only 4, so we can't notice whether it is taking microphone and all not. So what I'll do, I'll just make this connection tidy up and make it a simple portable PCB. So then we can check with all LEDs. So we'll see that now. So I tidy up everything and I just made a small board like this. This will be easy, and connected in the same way for the LEDs and all. Let's connect to the power and see how it is. This is 5 volts one I'm using. So you can see now it is cycling through. So these are normal one, not sound reactive. So this is the sound reactive one. You can see, and this is also sound reactive. Okay, you can see this is also sound reactive. This is also sound reactive. This is another one. So based on the sound, this will react. You can see the based on my voice. If I'm going very close to the mic, it is affecting more. If I'm far from the mic, it is different. If I'm close, you can see based on my voice, the light intensity is increasing and it's going a little further. So now it is working fine. So just we need to place these lights on our setup. Okay, so we can place it now. We need to place our LEDs here. So actually from here to here the length is different, this LED and the length between here glass to another glass. So what I did, I just folded like this. So I just folded like this so that I can place it. So here like this. So exactly. So every LED exactly will be placed on the glass. Okay. So in this it's very important. Make sure every LED should be placed on this particular glass. So every glass piece should have one LED in this place. So like that you just fold it. So here I purchased this one, so gap is more, so that's why I just folded like this. But if you buy NeoPixel like an individual one, so you can measure the gap from here to here. Based on that, with the help of wires, you can give exact distance. So simply you can place it like this. But in my case, I just folded to match the glass position here like this. So I need to place it like this. So I have placed the LEDs here based on each piece will have one LED exactly here. Okay, so like that I arranged every LED for every piece. So now let's check how it is. Okay, so I'll just turn this side so we can see the effect properly. So now let's switch on the power. It's on now. Now you can see how beautiful it is. So based on my voice, it's affecting. See how good. So if the sound is high, you can see the effect is more. So you can switch to a different one so you can see. So yeah, so based on the sound, it's affecting. So you can see everything, it's unique one, like see how good. I really like this one, so it will be very good in your home lighting. So especially when you have music theater or something, so this will give a nice effects based on the sound. So let's cycle through everything. I will switch off the light and see how good it is in the dark. I switched off the light and now we'll see the effect. So it is, so based on the sound you can see how good it is. So based on my voice you can see the effect. It's kind of like a glare, but it's fine. Maybe I'm very close to this. So this is one of the preset. This is the first preset. So this is the second one. It will come from center. So this is another one. It's like this. Let's see another one. This is another one. So these are with sound one. So with the sound it will be affecting. So this is kind of like a standard, means like a static, and slowly it's changing the color. This is another preset, changing rapidly. So this is another one. This is another one. So as I said, like we need to sand the edges, then the effect will be more. If it is not sanded properly, it's kind of like giving like glare. So this is another effect. So again it is starting from this. So I will place this on a base and I'll show you in the ambience, like when you place it in a room how it looks.